I've won a hero's name with McAlpine and Costain, with Fitzpatrick, Murphy, Ash and the Wimpy's gang. I've been off and on the road, on me way to draw the dole, when there's nothing left to do for Johnny Lang. And I used to think that God made the mixer pick and hod, so that Paddy might know hell above the ground. I've had gangers big and tough tell me tear it all out rough when you're building up and tearing England down. In a tunnel underground, a young Limerick man was found. He was built into the new Victoria line. When the bonus gang had passed, sticking from the concrete cast was the face of little Charlie Joe Devine. And the gang of man McGurk said Big Paddy hates the work when the gas main blew and he flew off the ground. Oh, they swore, he said, don't slack, I'll not be there until I'm back. Keep on building up and tearing England down. I was on the shuttering jam on the day that Jack McCann got the better of his stammer in a week. He fell from the shuttering jam, and that poor old stuttering man, he was never ever more inclined to speak. And I saw old Balls McCall from the big flyover hall into a concrete mixer spinning round. Though it wasn't his intent, he got a fine head of cement when he was building up and tearing England down. I remember Carrier Jack with his hand upon his back, how he swore one day he'd set the world on fire. But his face they've never seen since his shovel it cut clean to the middle of the big high-tension wires. On a mole like Robin Hood, will he roam to Cricklewood or dance around the pubs in Camden Town? Oh, but let no man complain, sure no Pat can die in vain when he's building up and tearing England down. So come all you navvies bold, do not think that English gold is just waiting to be taken from each sod. Or the likes of you and me will ever get an OBE or a knighthood for good service to the Hod. They've the concrete master race or to keep you in your place, and a gang of man to kick you to the ground. If you ever try to take part of what the bosses make when you're building up and tearing England down.